Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Functional Behaviour Assessment. So, what is a Functional Behaviour Assessment? The Functional Behaviour Assessment, or the FBA, is used to determine the underlying purpose or function of a behaviour, especially negative ones, in order to treat it effectively. This is as opposed to punishment or suppression. Through observation, interviews, and reviews of relevant records and papers, information on the behaviour is then collected as part of the FBA. Following this analysis, the antecedents, what occurs before the behaviour itself, and the consequences, what happens after the behaviour, are determined. There are typically four functions of behaviour: attention seeking, escape or avoidance, obtaining tangible items or activities, and self-stimulation. The psychologist or behaviour analyst can then develop an intervention plan that addresses the behaviour's underlying cause. This could involve altering the environment or the task demands, training the individual new skills, or altering the consequences of the behaviour to reduce occurrence. There are a variety of professionals who can use this, including social workers, counsellors, therapists, and more. Here's how to use the FBA effectively. The first step is to fill in the client information. You'll then need to complete each section with sufficient details included under each heading. Incorporate the results within treatment. To view a sample assessment of the FBA, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access the FBA via our platform, filter by community and assessment, or you can also type in the keywords to find the note faster. Edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.